In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google AI project to Firebase. So the first thing that you need to do is open up Google AI Studio. Then here we will click on Build. Next, you have to choose the app. So click on your apps and then open up the app which you want to add to Firebase or connect to Firebase. Now from here, you will see an option to download the app itself. So we're going to click on Download App. This is going to download a zip file. And the next thing that we need to do is open up Firebase Studio. And here we will click on Import Repo. From here, we can choose Upload Project and just choose the app which you have downloaded. Set a name for it, such as Converter, and you just want to click on Import. Once you click on Import, then this is going to connect your Google AI project to Firebase, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.